Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your earbuds TOZO Tonal Dots from your iPhone. You have to start by open Settings and then go to the Bluetooth. At the device list, click the information icon near to your earbuds. And right here at the third line we have button Disconnect, and you need to tap at this button. But before I tap on it, I will tell you the difference between Disconnect and Unpair. So when you select to disconnect and tap at this button, you will stop Bluetooth connection with your earbuds, but leave it at the device list. And if you select to unpair your earbuds, you click at the Forget the Device button, you will totally remove your earbuds from your phone. So if you need this one, you can tap at the Forget the Device button. Now let me click on it, and as you can see, I just stopped Bluetooth connection, but still have it as the device list, and if I want to, I can easily reconnect them by just tap on them. Of course, if these earbuds turn on and do not connect it with another device. If it connected with another device, you need to disconnect it from another device and then connect it to this one. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!